Julle, let's go try at the Blank Street coffee shop in Edinburgh. So die koffiewinkel het viral gegaan op TikTok with a moerse long queue stretching all the way down the street. You knew the people of Edinburgh were so erg for a koppie coffee, ne? Anyways, julle, this is how it looks inside. It's not very big at all. But one thing I must say is, julle, the staff are super friendly. The girl that served me at the till was just so friendly and such a vibe. In my head, I was thinking we could be friends. But I'm an old Tanya and maybe she thinks I'm a stalker. Hashtag stranger danger. When I got there, it was not really busy at all and I managed to grab this window seat in the sun. I just sat down and then looked behind me and guys, this was the queue. Out the door and deur af in die straat. Also, julle, I don't have a fancy coffee order of 2 Palm Street squirts around the corner, moon dusting, stir of the mermaid tail type girl nie. A stock standard iced coffee girl. I saw people drinking loads of green stuff. Ek neem aan is daai matcha mocha goed. I don't know. I had that one time in my life. All I can tell you was, kak. Never in my life again will I torture my taste buds with that green shite. By die werk het hulle my gevra of ek 'n koppie chocolate thee soek. So with all due respect, voetsak. Ek ken net rooibos thee. But yeah, I don't actually understand the hype of this coffee shop because it's like any other coffee shop in Edinburgh. Coffee, cook en kak dier. Anyways, that's all for now. Okay, bye.